Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm sure by the title of this video you already know why we are here. I've gone ahead to make my bundles into a wig here, as you can see. The first step to do is lifting the base tone of the wig. So right here I'm mixing my developer and my bleach together. You want a runny consistency because we're not trying to make the wig blonde. We just want a brown tone, like a level 4-5. I've gone ahead to bleach my knots, so I'm going to wash it just with a regular neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to be using 4 tubes of L'Oreal Material to achieve this color today. I'm using 4 tubes of shade 5.35. Just go ahead and follow the instruction in the packet. Make sure to work in sections and make sure you saturate the hair as much as you can, so that we can avoid spotty, blotchiness in the wig. Just make sure you go ahead and saturate. If you need to comb it, brush it, you can go ahead. I'm going for that natural dark root, so I've stayed away from the root as much as I can. So I'm pulling the color down. I'm not touching the root at all. I've left like 2 to 3 inches of natural color in the roots. I'll let the color sit for like 40-45 minutes, and I'm going to use a neutralizing shampoo followed by a deep treatment. Right here, I'm just adding layers to the wig, some face framing layers. If you want me to make an in-depth video on how to add layers to your wig, please let me know in the comment section and I will do that for you guys. Make sure to use a heat protector anytime you're working with it on your extensions and your wigs, because if you're not careful, it can damage your hair really quickly. I have a separate video on wig styling, so please check the description section for that. Allow your course set for a couple of minutes, then comb it out using a wide tooth comb, and yes, we are done. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share to your friends, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.